Section 3.7, factoring a sum or difference of cubes. We'll just go straight into the lesson. The difference of squares, x squared minus a squared, was equal to x minus a, x plus a. That's something that you've learned in previous years and previous courses. And we don't have an ability to factor a sum of squares. We've only learned so far a difference of squares, right? And you can't factor a sum of squares. We can, however, factor a sum of cubes, and we can factor a difference of cubes. So this right here is the general form if you have a sum of cubes, right here. A cubed plus b cubed is equal to a plus b times a squared minus ab plus b squared. That's the sum of cubes. And a difference of cubes, a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a squared plus ab plus b squared. All right, so this is going to be a pretty short lesson. If we take a look at the first one, factor 8x cubed minus 27. So we can see that immediately you identify, well, okay, look, 8 is 2 cubed and 27 is just 3 cubed. So another way of writing this is 8x cubed minus 27. Another way of thinking about that is 2x to the power of 3 minus 3 to the power of 3. So looks like we have a difference of cubes. This is your a value and that is your b value. And so we can go ahead and do our difference of cubes factoring quite quickly. So 2x minus 3, okay, and then 2x squared, so that's 4x squared, right, plus the product of the two, so that should be minus, rather, minus 6x, and then the final term, or the b squared, right? So that's plus 9, right there. Okay. Oh, apologies. This is, yeah, you know, that seems fine. Okay. So then we take a look at this next one. Example 2, factor this. Well, this is a misprint. This should not have been 82. This, in fact, should have been 81. So let's just quickly change that. All right. So you see 81 and you see 3993. Well, this looks like it's going to be a sum of cubes. But what you might want to do is see if you can factor out a number from both of these. Well, let's see if these are divisible by 3. And you can test to see if a number is divisible by 3 by adding up their individual digits, right? So if we go 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Is 9 divisible by 3? Yes, it is. So therefore 81 is divisible by 3. 3, 9, 9, 3. Let's add up those individual digits. Okay, 12 plus 12 is equal to, we've got 24, right? And so is 24 divisible by 3? Yes. So then 3993 is divisible by 3. So let's take a look here. We've got 81x cubed plus 3993. Let's factor out a 3. And then we should get 27x cubed plus 1331. Okay, this makes it a little easier to see that this is a sum of cubes. So we go 3, and this is just basically like your 3x to the power of 3 plus, and that should be 11 to the power of 3. Okay, and then we can just do 3 and then follow our pattern here in the sum of cubes. 3x plus 11, right, and then bracket 9x squared minus 33x plus 121. Okay, and now we have sufficiently factored our sum of cubes. Okay, homework is listed right here, and chapter review for the entire chapter on, or the entire unit on polynomials is listed there below as well. Thanks for watching.